Hi guys, my name is Veronica Winters, and today I'd like to show you how you can frame your artwork inexpensively. So I'd like to break it down and show you how you can do it yourself.
Professional framing is your best option because it takes quite a skill to frame art well. Besides the frame itself, every drawing, print or photograph should have a mat and a thick backing or mounting board, and either non-glare glass or acrylic plexiglass. If you go to a museum, you'll see plenty of examples there. The majority of framed work on paper that includes photography has a white mat and a simple frame around it. While you can pick a frame to your taste, playing with the styles and colors, the color of the mat should be reserved. And if you are not sure about the color, stick to a white mat. You want to pick a white mat as opposed to a color one because it won't overpower your drawing or print. If you still want to play with the color a little bit, you can do a double mat. The hue of your color mat should pick up on one of the colors present in the drawing. Always look at the quality of the corners cut in your mat opening. The beveled edge should have a perfect cut. Standard mat has a 3-inch width on all sides of the drawing. It gives your artwork necessary space between the mat and the frame. This 3-inch distance can be altered. Sometimes you see framed photographs that have mats with varied widths that allows for placing prints and photography into standard frame. Always remember that all materials must be acid-free, which include backing, mounting board, and a double-sided tape. If it's not the case, your drawing will yellow with time. Tape holds it all together, but it also yellows the surfaces if it's not acid-free. Just remember that ready-made frames you find in craft stores don't sell with necessary acid-free backings. Therefore, they are not suitable for professional framing. A lot of times you can buy all the supplies that you need in a kit. Here you see me putting it all together using a watercolor tape that can be replaced with a double-sided acid-free tape, backing and a white mat. This type of tape needs a little bit of water. That's why you see me adding a tiny bit of water to make it sticky. I learned how to do framing in college, and we often use this tape for our basic framing needs. Usually this tape is used for stretching watercolor paintings. Technically, any mat creates a barrier between your art and glass. Be aware that photographs stick to glass eventually if they don't have that space. If you decide to stick a picture into a ready-made frame without the mat, add corners that would maintain necessary space between the photo and glass. Once you put everything together, make sure that the mat lines up with the backing perfectly so that they would fit into a frame nicely. Framing of canvas art is easy in a way because you simply pick the frame and you don't have to deal with glass or backing. If you look at old paintings, most of them are framed with gold frames, and those frames have varied designs. Usually those designs and the color of the frame pick up on the colors seen in the picture. You don't have to stick to gold frames, you can actually pick silver frames or even white frames if there are a lot of these colors seen in the painting. Once you start looking at the frames, make sure that you pick canvas depth frames. It means that your frame needs to be deep enough to snuggle the canvas inside it. If your canvas is not standard size, you can buy custom cut frames online at americanframe.com. If your painting is standard size, you can just go to any craft store and pick a frame for it. Here you see me doing a basic assembly of a frame. Make sure that the wire is strong enough to support and to hold your piece.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel here and visit my website. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.